everyone, it's me, John D. Villarreal, and we have another great product review. This is the Dyson V11 Animal Plus. Actually, let me make a correction. This is going to be an unboxing. We'll do another video where there's a product review. Probably my wife and I will do that video together. This is going to be the unboxing and maybe like a quick overview. I had the previous many years ago, I had one of the original ones, probably the original one in the US anyway, the Dyson vacuum cleaner, the yellow one. It was great. It's my beautiful daughter here. She may jump in at any time, and that's okay. That vacuum was amazing. It worked so well for my family. We are definitely big fans of Dyson. I have to say this as well too. This is all my personal opinion only. I paid for this myself. I'm not paid by Dyson or Costco or anyone else to do this video. Obviously, we make money on YouTube from the videos, but this, again, is all our personal opinion only, and I paid for this myself. Now, this is very exciting. I actually wanted, like, I think it was the ball animal Dyson, the one that's not sort of cordless, if you will, but my wife wanted this sort of handheld version here, and you know, love my wife, so I wanted to make her happy and get what she wanted. I wasn't sure about these. I wasn't sure, like, if it had enough power. I understood that the ball animal version of the Dyson is the most powerful out there. But in doing more reviews and seeing it was version 11, they have made major progress on these. Now, there's many different SKUs. Obviously, with Dyson, there's like one with a bigger canister and one with the extended battery. But in terms of versions, this is the latest and greatest from Dyson. I'm sure they'll continue to iterate and make better and more stuff, but right now this is the best that you can get. I saw it at Costco. It was on, in terms of class, I saw it on Costco and it was on sale. It was like $100 off or something like that, and somewhere around there. It was a really great deal. And I'm like, okay. I showed my wife when I got home. We talked about it. I'm like, let's go for it. Let's get it. So we're super excited. We haven't even seen it yet. I'm going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's look what's inside. Let's show it to you. And again, this is the unboxing and a quick overview video. We'll do another video where we review it. So let's get into this now. I'm going to lay this down and try to unbox this. I will say this. It's pretty light, which is cool, right? I mean, if you're going to be doing a lot of vacuuming, you want to have something that's light and powerful. And we have like some type of version of Dyson at work, and I see that being used, the cordless version, and it seems to work really well. Okay, cool. So here we've got this warranty information here, and we've got some kind of packet here. I'm assuming this is like your warranty, your ownership stuff, so that's really cool. I'm sure that's all. It's kind of nice that they kind of put it all together like that, so it's all it's all packaged up very well. Now, interesting. So this attachment here, it's all put together in this paper. I've never seen that before. And it's got like a little sticker. But I like that because it will, stops these from getting scuffed up in shipping. So that's very nice. It's almost like gift wrapping, sort of. Like a certain kind of gift wrapping, like candles or something of that nature. Whoa. That was the other thing too, is I thought that at this level, it was like a purple wand, and this is red, and I know it's simple, but I mean, also if you look at Apple, colors are a big deal. I like the red. I don't know if there's some little extra thing there with the Costco version. I think I read online there's maybe a couple extra attachments. I'm not sure, but I'm glad that it's red. So that looks really nice. Super light. I don't know if that's like aluminum, magnesium, or what that is, but that's nice. We're going to put this right down here. We've got this attachment here, also very light, very nice. That looks good. Now, okay, cool. Everything's boxed up, so cool here. Now we've got some more attachments here, and they look really also very cool. So this is, you've got some kind. I'm going to be very careful here. If I like mess this. I'm going to show this to you guys. We'll take this out carefully later. This is obviously like a little nozzle where you'd like apply this to a couch or something or some crevice. And this is some, it's got like a brush on it. So that's kind of cool if you're like getting up crumbs and stuff. I'm sure this isn't that hard, but I'm just not going to like get too crazy right now to get that out. So that's very cool. Okay. Now here we have even more attachments or products here. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so this was obviously where you put some of your attachments, so that's nice. And then here, I'm not totally sure, maybe battery, probably for the battery or some kind of wall mount or something of that nature. We'll learn about that again. We're gonna have we'll play around with this and we'll get the review video coming up next. And now here, okay, so this is an attachment. It's almost like the hose part. This is the flexible part here. You can see that. That's very nice. Okay, now we're getting to sort of more of the main show in here. This is the main canister. This is charged up apparently. This charged up. Wow, that's very cool. So there you go. That's amazing. I guess that's the battery. It's right there already. Yeah, and look at that. So you can see that right there, how it's charged up. Look at that. That looks unbelievable. It's very small. Now, what I'm curious about, and I'm assuming obviously, what I'm curious about is if this is big enough to get all the dirt that you want.
Shove it from all the sides so that you can see it. Yeah.
See?
If you lower your hands a little bit. Yeah.
My wife's the director. Very cool. Just trying to very gently take this off. This is not super light. It's like some phaser or something like that. Are you kidding me? This is super high tech, but it's not that heavy. This is really, it's not that heavy. That's wild. I mean, huh?
You look like a fighter in a
I'm
video
telling
game.
you. Dude, I'm like, that sounds really high tech. This is
from
really
outer space.
this is really like, this is,
incredible.
wow. That's amazing. I'm very curious about this. I can't wait for the review because I want to see how this goes down. And I'm very impressed with it already. But I just wonder, I mean, you worried like you were going to fill up enough dirt and dust in there? It's really not that heavy.
Really?
But, you know, it's not that heavy for me. Of course, I'm not like the best shape right now anyway, but I'm, you know, certainly stronger than the average person still. But it's not that heavy. I wouldn't call it like super light, but it's super powerful, so it's that balance. But it's definitely not that heavy. It's very interesting. I don't think that's a big problem for most people. I really don't. And you've got here some instructions and stuff, so that's cool. Now let's see what else is in here. This is maybe the plus part. Maybe we already went through the plus part with some extra attachments and stuff. But we do have at least one more part here, and maybe more. Okay, so now I've got to be very careful with this. Okay. Okay, right. So this is the bottom part there. High torque. Very cool. So you've got the high torque right now, and that's actually very cool. So now I know that, again, there's so many different...
See, this is for the tangled hair. See that? Show them.
Yeah. There's different versions. There's like the V11. There's the V11 high torque. So there's something. Somehow you're getting that too. And again, I may be confused, and we'll do some more. Believe me, I did a lot of research, but there's a lot of different Dysons. And sometimes, maybe in the case of Costco, sometimes, in my opinion, some of these big box stores or some of these stores will get a sort of a one-off version, or when we see that with like PlayStations or the Xbox, like, oh, hey, this is the GameStop version or the Best Buy version or whatever in terms of a special color or whatnot. So that's very interesting. So I'm very happy about that because I definitely wanted the high torque version. So I'm glad that we do have that. And let's see, I don't think there's anything else. We have 2 boxes in here, but I think there's, I'm wrong. And there's more. And, ooh, look at that. Got another little attachment there.
Oh, nice.
Right? Little scrub action there. That's cool. Okay. And yet there's more. And then we also have, there's something in here too. This seems like some kind of power situation.
No, no.
I know. There, we want to be careful. Yes, and then I'm right. So here's your plug. Right? That's cool. That's very, very high tech, very chic looking there. Oh, look, wow, here we go. Look at that. You get a lot of attachments here. This must be part of the plus. Look at that. Oh, this is, I don't know what that is. Some kind of curve, some kind of something.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure that
As soon
out.
as I start cleaning.
Figure that. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah. So it gives you some little angles and stuff. That's cool. That may be part of the normal part of it. I don't know. And here, ooh, this is like a little mini brush.
Yeah.
Very cool. That's interesting for when you need the smaller surface area.
No, no, no. This is like maybe to get to areas that normally with a big
That's
one
what I'm
can't
saying.
get
It's
to.
like about half the size. So very cool. So that's it. That's all of it. But that's a lot. You got a lot of attachments there. You have right now with this situation, I'm going to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you've got 6 total attachments.
No, but
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's your 6.
yeah, and the other one is not an attachment.
No, it's not an
like
attachment. I
maybe-
think this is like where the hose goes or
Yeah.
something like that. You know, some kind of angle to it. So very, very cool.
These are 2. We know that.
This is 2, right?
Yeah.
1 and 2. I know. I didn't want to open the box. It was being a little tricky. I was going to wait till later and we can just do that. It might take a little time. Very excited about it. That's it. That is the Dyson V11 Animal Plus. We got this one at Costco. It's awesome. This is the unboxing. We'll have another video where we review it, charge it up, test it out, do all that. I'm John D. Villarreal. Thanks so much. Be sure to check out all of our other great videos and reviews. I want your comments below. Please share this on social media. Please rate this video up. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Definitely
Thank you.
subscribe.